欢迎来到5分钟中文 Welcome back to our 5-minute Chinese。我是平。在昨天的节目中，我们说了中国人很喜欢饭后散步。In yesterday's program, we talked about the Chinese people has a very not famous, pretty noticeable hobby. Go for a walk. Go for a walk after dinner, especially in the summer or in the early fall or even in the spring. We love go for a walk. Remember, and we even have a proverb: 饭后走一走，活到99. After dinner, if you have a walk, you will live up to 99 years old. And we said, oh, the greetings is when you meet people after dinner, we say, 你吃过了吗？吃过了吗？ Right? So what is the mean for 过? Oh, you may say, I know 你, I know 吃, I know 了. 了 means past tense. But what is 过? What is 过? Today we talk about 过 and 了. And I have two sentences show you first. The first one you can skip 了 and 过. Look at the two sentences. The first one is 他去了中国. 他去了中国. He went to China. The second sentence is 他去过中国. Question. What is the difference? What is the difference? 他去了中国 and 他去过中国. So the difference exists between 了 and 过. That is what we're going to talk about today. What is the difference between 了 and 过? Probably for a lot of you have already know. Oh, we know 了 is a past tense. For example, 去了 means went, right? Let's say 吃了 means ate. 喝了 means drank. So basically, you put 了 after any verb. It means the action has already happened. It's a past tense, right? But I remember you said 过 also means that, yes, 过 also is a past tense signal, which means already. But what is the difference? 他去了中国. 他去了中国 means he went to China. He went to China, right? 他去过中国. He has already been to China. Oh, from English, you know the difference. He went to China. 了 is the situation changed. He's not here. He's not in America. 他不在美国. He went to China. The situation changed, right? 他去过中国. He has already been to China. So this year, he doesn't plan to go back there again. So probably right now, he is in America. 他现在可能在美国. So 过 means experience, a happened experience, means want to tell you that is an old experience, or that experience has already happened. There's nothing changing now. There's nothing changing now. That is the biggest difference between 了 and 过. Let's see more examples. If you want to say, my son ate KFC, how can you say that? 我儿子吃了 KFC, right? 儿子吃了 KFC. But if you want to tell people, my son tried KFC before, or he has already tried KFC before. 儿子吃过 KFC. 儿子吃过 KFC. Okay, so you got it? 懂了吗？懂了。了 means past tense. 过 means 了 both of them means past tense. 但是了 means situation changed. 过 means a happened experience. But the further question is, what is the negative for 了 and 过? We will talk about that tomorrow. Follow us tomorrow. 再见. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and comment if you really enjoyed. Also, if you want to watch more videos, please subscribe to us. If you're interested in donating to help us, please check the links below. Thank you. Bye.